Every once in a while, I want to highlight one of our amazing Academy students and share how God has used the Academy to impact them, encourage them, and strengthen their ministry. So enjoy this quick testimonial from one of our students.
This is my first time being in charge of a worship ministry. I've led youth ministry before. I've led youth bands before, but like not being in charge of the church worship ministry. And so I needed help kind of developing where we're going as a church, how to communicate that with my team, how to organize my team, the team building aspect, and your copy me course. This is the stuff that we as a team need in order to build a strong team. I was feeling like I didn't know what the next steps were for the worship team. It was almost more like I saw it, but didn't know how to get there. And now I'm like, I've got the tools to get there, and that's exciting. I think the community is so helpful. I live in a world where women shouldn't be in charge of the worship ministry. And so most of my contacts are men who believe that. And so like I don't feel comfortable really going to them and like asking them questions. And so the community for me as a woman in this position, it is irreplaceable right now. We're finally playing well as a band, but now I need us to start really functioning as a team. I needed to start providing some kind of devotional content for the team each Sunday. And I was like, how do I do that? Where do I put it? And so getting to see that, your devotionals, I think those are helpful. They're really short. They are really good at sparking conversation. And they seem to be getting more and more comfortable sharing with each other. And so those are really great because it sounds a little bit lazy. It's nice to have something already prepared that I can read through and be like, yes, this is exactly what my team needs right now. It is so helpful. One of the most helpful things for me has been the pre-planned calendar. I use that every single day because that had a lot of the things that I was feeling I needed to be doing, or I didn't have a real particular schedule, and having that has been what has helped me get ahead. Thank you for giving that space because it has really helped me, and I'm hoping it's helping others. Yeah. Anybody that I hear is like, yeah, I'm struggling with this, I'm like, go join worship ministry training. Just go do it.
If you'd like to join the Academy and get that kind of encouragement, coaching, and guidance, we would love to have you. It's just $1 to try. You get 15 days of full access to all of our courses, all of our live trainings, all of our expert interviews, our done-for-you documents, templates, and resources, plus a super supportive, great community. Hope to see you inside the Academy. Go to worshipministrytraining.com to start your $1 trial today.